Right, this example 1, and it is, which one of those is it? Is this angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side? Right, because you got your two angles, but that side is not in between the two angles. So it's definitely the angle, angle, side. And we're going to try to solve for this triangle. Solve the triangle, which means find all the missing parts. Well, what's the easiest thing we can solve for? The third angle, right? So right away, we're going to say A equals 180 minus 102.3 minus 28.7. A equals, I don't want to do these calculations. And that was 49? 49 degrees. Now, again, if you look at the law of sines, what we need is, we need one angle and opposite side pair where we know both, right? Because on the law of sines, wrong page, right? You got to have on one side of the fraction, you're going to have to know both parts. Right? So now we have it. By finding the third angle, we know angle A, no, we already knew it between B and side B and angle B. So now we can take our pick. Do we want to solve for A or do we want to solve for C? Solve for A. So again, which version of the law of sines do you think we're going to use? The one with the sides on top or the ones with the angles on the top? Sides on the top because we're solving for a side, right? Now, so we're going to set up on one side of this, it'll say A divided by the sine of A. And it doesn't matter which one you use. Oh, actually it does for us here because we only know B and side, angle B and side B. So we have to say B over sine of B. So we can plug in for the things that we know. A over the sine of 49 equals 27.4 divided by the sine of 28.7. Yeah. So now, how do you solve for the A? Just multiply both sides times the sine of 49. Right, that will cancel. And then do this calculation. What is A? What's that? Where did you multiplied both sides with it, right? It's in the numerator. Right. So put that in the calculator. What do you get? Yeah, the book says 43.1, 43.06. I'll say 43.1. So now we know this, 43.1. And we still have to find the angle C. Can I use Pythagorean theorem then to find the third side? No, why not? It's not a right triangle, so you can't use Pythagorean theorem, right? You're going to have to just do the law of sines again. So let's try C over the sine of 102.3 equals, and I'm going to use the same right-hand side, which is 27.4 over the sine of 28.7. Right? Multiply by the sine of 102.3. Cancel, cancel. C equals about 55.8. Right, so we solved.